Kihuhukanio githiete na mbere na guthegea ngwataniro-ini ya NASA guku kiama kia Wiper gikihe ngwataniro iyo ihinda ria thiku 7 kugweta Kalonzo Musyoka ariwe muruiriri wa giturwa kia president na tigiti wa ngwataniro iyo.
Kalonzo has to be in the ballot box when elections for presidential elections are held. We will not play second fiddle to anybody.
Ajube a kiama giki matetete ati makoretwo magieterera kuma o mweri wa 8 mwaka muhituku niguo muhuraniri agwetwo. Marauga ugondereru wa kugweta no ukurirukia federa ukoretwo ukirehe hahu kiama-ini.
And it looks like it's a scheme to wait until the last minute to lock out another presidential candidate.
I today have held behind all my merchandise, because I'm not sure which face to put on my merchandise and which logo to put where. And that is the dilemma everybody has. That's why you brand and you realize tomorrow if Kalonzo is presidential candidate, that banner might have to be rebranded.
No mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi arauga uhotekeku wa kugweta muruiriri no ukinyanirio kwa ihinda ritanyiheire mweri umwe.
Mwezi wa April vyama vitaingia kwa mambo ya ile nomination process ya kila chama. Kwa hivyo watulie kidogo, tukishamaliza mwezi kwa hizi wiki 2-3 huenda basi kufikia mwisho wa April hivi ama early May candidate wetu atajulikana.
If NCC is not called this week, after next week we will not be available to attend their meetings.
Kuratwika ati kibarua kiria kinene gikoretwo kiri kuiguithaniria no ukurirukia federa ya kiama kiu guku kiama kia Wiper gigiteta ati ODM niregete gutia uiguithanio wa mwaka wa 2013.
In fact, we are proposing that the 4 principals need to engage directly and finish this issue. I know that it will not happen until they start to engage directly, honestly, candidly, and talk about the hardest of issues and put all these things on the table. It's as simple as that.
Nyeze arauga wona Kalonzo aga kuheo mweke ucio Wiper ni kuoya mwerekera ugi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.
Ni mwaka wa urejesho.